Kumarakom Bird Sanctuary is situated at Kumarakom in Kottayam taluk of Kottayam district in the Indian state of Kerala, on the banks of Vembanad Lake. Set in the Kerala Backwaters, the bird sanctuary is a favorite haunt of migratory birds. The sanctuary is spread over 14 acres on the southern bank of the Meenachil River River. There is a system of paths for moving around within the sanctuary. Beyond the sanctuary, one can take a boat ride in Vembanad Lake or along the Meenachil River. Kumarakom is 14 kilometres from Kottayam. Neighbouring areas such as Kaipuzha Muttu, Pathirmanal, Narakathara, Thollairam Kayal, and Poothanpandi Kayal are also good locations for spotting birds. Kumarakom Bird Sanctuary is among the most popular bird watching spots in the country. One comes across numerous rare avian species in these parts. Located on the banks of the Vembanad Lake in Kottayam, one gets to see a variety of migratory birds that flock in thousands, ranging from places like the Himalayas to Siberia.